guys, today we're going to be learning about switch statements, which are similar to the if statements you guys learned about last time. Alright, let's get started. Feel free to download this Xcode project from the link below or from the link on the screen. In the last episode, we talked about if statements, which allow you to control the flow of your code. In this demo, we're going to talk about the switch statement, and it's similar to the if statement. So first, I'm going to write an if statement to show you guys what the difference would be and how to write the equivalent. So let's say I start off with an age variable again, and let's say I wanted to do something if the age was equal to 5 and then equal to 7 and equal to 9 and equal to 11 and so on and so forth. With an if statement, I could write something like, if age is equal to 5, then do something, else if age is equal to 7, then do something else if age is equal to 9, then do something else if, age is equal to 10, so on and so forth. And then finally, if it doesn't equal any of those things, then do something else. So, that would be one way of doing it. Well, with the switch statement, you don't have to write out as many lines of code, and it's also more elegant, and it's the preferred way when you have to do something like what's outlined above. So Xcode already breaks it down for us. With the switch keyword, you have to add an expression, and then you have multiple cases, kind of like that if statement that we have. And then within each case, you have your statements. And then the default that you see down there, that's kind of like your else. So let's incorporate the age variable. So we're going to switch on the age variable, and we're going to write a case where age is 5, and then our statements would be something like this. And then you have your case where it's 7. And this break keyword kind of means like if you go into this case, let's say age matches case number 5, and you do something, this break keywords means that you break out of this control structure. So once the control flow hits break, it would exit out of the switch statement and continue executing whatever code you have down there. So let's finish this switch statement. Case 9, case 10, and then finally you have default, which is kind of like your else. And you can either you don't have to have statements in there. You could just not do anything. You could choose not to do anything. And so these two are equivalent. Using a switch statement, and here's the equivalent using an if statement. Now, something else that's cool about the switch statement is, let's say that you wanted to do the same thing whether the age was 5 or 7. Well, in using an if statement, you would do something like this. Remember the pipes? So in this case, I would be doing the same thing if the age was 7 or 9. Well, we can do the equivalent here in the switch statement by simply going like this. And how this reads is, if age matches case 7 or 9, then do something, and then finally break out of the switch statement. Now that adds to your arsenal for writing conditional logic in Objective-C. Now, I recently read an article that said that 80% of iPhone users check their phone more than 15 times a day. Now, I don't know where they got their facts from, but I linked the article below. You know what? They're probably right. I probably check my phone more than 15 times a day. What about you? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.